Hello, how you doing, everyone? This is Juan with King Credit, giving result in the first 30 days. I want to show you something, okay? You know, this is a good credit, okay? This is one of my friend got in touch with me. There was referral, and she came with this good credit in general, and she was very happy about her credit. Everything was good. She had a few stuff that we had to remove. Her option, her goal, he was trying to get to the 800s. She had credit history and a lot of stuff. There's some people that love the 800 credit score. I don't mind. That's great. If you are able to get it, that's wonderful. It's hard to get, but that's why we are here to help, to make sure you get an 800 credit score. She got in touch with me, okay, saying, listen, Juan, you know, I'm trying to get to that 800 credit score. Can you help me? And I said, sure. I took a look on her credit, what was wrong, what was affecting her, trying to get the 800 credit score. Then this is what happened. In general, give me 1 second over here. Let me go to All3 Credit Bureau. Okay. We're going to go compare all. They go over here. November 12th. Look at this. November 12th. When my client saw this, she almost cried and said it's impossible. How you did it? What happened? I've been doing this for so long, and I tell a lot of my clients, if you want to see result, you have to follow me step by step so you can see big results. If I tell you don't apply and you go apply while I'm fixing your credit, you can't get here, okay? If I tell you just wait, be patient, and then you just go next day and apply, you won't get here, okay? We have to make your credit utilization is low, and you're not maxing out your credit cards, and anything that is negative, late payment within 30, if you make a late payment of one or of a month late, your credit score could drop down up to 140 points. And it's horrible. So this is a result pretty fast. She's happy. I'm happy. This credit score will change in the next week, and she'll be where she want to go. Okay? King Credit Repair will give you result in the first 30 days. Change your life. If you're a hustler, man, and you don't got your credit right, you ain't about nothing. Okay? Big hustler. Big people get big places with credit, because everywhere you go is going to be credit. Taxes come and go every year. Credit is going to be all your life. King Credit Repair will give you a result in the first 30 days. You can send me a message, call me, 321-438-3028, 321-438-3028. Give him result in the first 30 days.